And we're back with our regular scheduled programming. No, there's no regular anything on this channel. It is literally anything and everything about my life and what I get myself into. A lot. So one day it's perfume, the next it's makeup, one day it's now about bees. How great is that? Oh my god, if you guys have not seen it yet, I did just get my first package of bees shipped to me, and I had to go pick them up from the post office, which they were like, whoa, bees. I'm like, yeah, starting a beekeeping thing. Pretty crazy, but have a video on that unboxing the bees if you want to check that out. Pretty cool. But today, you can see we have this little fragrance right here from Paris Hilton. This is her fragrance called Iconic. Now, I know it's been out for a little bit at this point. It came out last year in 2025, but I want to get my hands on it, and I was able to get my hands on it, so we're going to try it out and see if it's a good spring and summer fragrance. I heard some mixed reviews. Some people like it, some people don't, as many fragrances are, right? But some people said it's like generic, basic. I don't know. I've never tried a Paris Hilton perfume, so this will be fun. Now for the notes, we have pear blossom, peach, raspberry, peony, magnolia, lily of the valley, musk, amber, and sandalwood. Little spooky dooky right there. I don't know. Sandalwood can be good. It can be a little too spicy and too warm in fragrances, or it can like have a little bit of boom pow in there and actually make it smell very decent. Really depends on how they do it. But I hope this isn't like super floral. I hope we get a lot of peach and raspberry, and this is more like a fruity floral than anything. I took the plastic off and, oh, here we go. Okay, let's, first bottle impressions together. I did see this bottle broke on a lot of people. Oh. Okay, clumsy. Look at this. It does look very cheap. I'm not gonna lie. It is like very early 2000s inspired, which I don't know, kind of love that, but I don't know. Let's see. Wait, does it? Okay. No, because I've seen Daniel Renee and his bottle like broke or whatever, but it seems pretty glued on there. Like I'm not trying to pull it off like I think he was deliberately trying to do, but all right, let's see. Can't smell anything yet. Oh, tiny but mighty, hopefully. I don't know, the squirt's not too powerful. All right, give it a second, give it a second. I don't smell it yet. I haven't breathed in. Really? Yeah, this is generic. This is this is like Dollar Tree, dollar store fragrance. Like this is not. Oh, maybe it needs to dry for a second. Let me hold my thoughts and let it sit. Oh, oh my. This right here is, I'm sorry, it's horrible. It's so bad. It's so bad. I thought they were lying. I thought they were hating on my girl Paris, but I guess not. I'm sorry. I hate to say it, but this right here is like very like early 2000s scented. I think it's the magnolia because I do like peony, I like pear blossom, I like lily of the valley. Magnolia is not something that I really have in my. There is a little bug just flying around. I have my window open and these little, I need to shut it. But whatchamacallit, it's not. It's too floral, too early 2000s. It smells a bit soapy and almost like hand sanitizery, very alcohol. But as it dries, it is pulling out more raspberry. I don't know if you like a super strong raspberry floral, but like early 2000s, like this is, it's bad. It's soapy somehow, and I don't know what that's coming from. Amber, musk. It's not those. I really don't know. I'd say 2 out of 10. It's not the worst fragrance in the world. No, 0. Sorry. Let me stop. It is a 0. I would never wear this. A 2 out of 10 I'd probably wear. This, no, I'm sorry. I can't. This is not, I don't know. What do you guys think? I can't. I was very excited. That's so disappointing. Well, this was just a short video trying that out. It came when I was doing my bees, and well, that's right. I'm posting this video tomorrow, so yesterday for you guys now is when I got my bees. Right. I was just very eager to try this. I didn't want to wait, but now I got to go take myself a shower, get cleaned up, and get some dinner. But I love you guys so much. Y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.